So, this is my first video based on the topic of my first workshop coming up in a few weeks that talks about the importance of boundary setting. Now, this is a social topic, one that I like to go ahead and focus on the relationships you not only have with your friends and your family and your coworkers, but with yourself. This is a topic that I believe that needs some clarification due to the unfortunate nature of COVID and all the just inhibition that it's brought up in, the desire to make friends, put yourself out there, especially in this day and age where people just don't seem to be as well connected as we used to. This is a topic specifically focused on those that are within the mental health field that have difficulty with people-pleasing mentalities as well as many others. And this is also a topic for those in the spiritual community, for those of you who are very much light in love and are having a difficult time understanding where it is your self-respect may or may not tread on other people's toes. Just leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions specifically or any experiences you'd like to go ahead and share on this topic. I would love to begin the conversation now and build on what it is I already have prepared for the workshop at hand. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Deuces.